Hi, you're watching Tong News. Let's take a quick look at what's happening in the ecosystem. Ric Flair is launching a tokenized sticker. Here's what you need to know. Exciting development in the intersection of internet culture, intellectual property, and digital collectibles. Ric Flair has launched its officially licensed tokenized sticker drop on Telegram. With over 1 billion monthly active users, Telegram has elevated stickers beyond simple reactions, making them ownable, shareable, and usable within conversations. This marks the first instance of a legacy Web2 icon transforming an internet-famous reaction into an on-chain collectible that can be integrated into daily chats. This innovation signals the beginning of the sticker meta, where memes, expressions, and emotions become not only viral, but also tradable assets. Ric Flair is just the beginning. Soon, we could see icons like Kermit, SpongeBob, and Patrick Bateman join the space. The future of memes, intellectual property, and digital ownership is unfolding now. Tong Foundation partners with Kingnet to drive AI-powered game development. At Tong Day during the Web3 festival in Hong Kong, Tong Foundation announced a strategic partnership with Kingnet to bring AI innovation to game development on Tong. Kingnet's Xingyi AI model, designed to automate core game content like animation, scenes, and characters, will be deployed on Tong blockchain. Smile Cobra Studios' X-Men Game Center will be the first product to integrate this technology, and is debuting the first game developed with it on Tong, Zarya. Join now at the link in the description. That's it for today. Stay with us, like, subscribe, and see you next time.